I can't fly, that nonsense is for dreamers. No, I can just lift off the ground and hang there, maybe 6 feet from the deck. Sometimes I go up as much as 10 feet, but never much farther. This serves no actual purpose. I'm not moving anywhere. I'm not taking advantage of my elevation to pick apples, or peep in second-story windows, or avoid anything on the ground. I'm just levitating. I'm convinced after spending a couple days in the Nevada desert with Ford's newest F-150 Raptor that it harbors similar dreams. In its promotional materials, Ford habitually shows the Raptor, both this generation and the last, leaping into the air, big wheels dangling. The corporation invariably notes that these shots are achieved through digital photo manipulation or were performed by a professional driver on a closed course. Curiously, the company sometimes mentions both provisos. But make no mistake, this beefed up, desert running, high-speed brute dreams of air as surely as I do. And so, in preparation for this desert drive, I readied myself by conjuring up visions of our ruby-red Raptor suspended in midair, while the Mojave Desert streamed by underneath like a treadmill of rock and dust and crispy creosote bushes, and sure, why not, an adorable desert bunny or two. In reality, it's not quite like that. The leap is more like a short guitar lick rising away from the chugging rhythm of the ground, which keeps pace with the truck until the 5,700 pounds of badassery rejoins the shuffle. It never lasts long enough, the moment of giddy weightlessness. I solved this problem by doing it again and again and again until even our photographer had lost interest and refused to be a party to whatever might happen next. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. We're here to test this new Raptor on the land for which it was created. We're roughly retracing the route taken by the early Mint 400 off-road races. The same basic route on which Parnelli Jones ripped all the wheels off the specially prepared Bronco he drove in the inaugural event in 1968. I cauliflowered the rims, he would later tell the Las Vegas Review-Journal. The same event that used to hand out commemorative decanters filled with Jim Beam. The event that Hunter S. Thompson famously didn't actually cover in his book, Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas. The same event that, in 1981, hired an almost distressingly hot Vanna White as a trophy girl. We had no doctor of journalism, no lawyer, no Parnelli, not even Ms. White accompanying us. Instead, riding right seat was Darrell Folks, one-time desert motorcycle racer, current Nevada Adventure Motorcycle Tour operator, and the son of Casey Folks, a longtime Mint 400 competitor and the organizer of the current Mint 400. We started from Fremont